गोंयांत 4 फेब्रुवारीक जाल्ले मतदाना खातीर सेवा केल्ले सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांचे सध्या चालू आशिल्ले पोस्टल मतदान बेगोबेग रद्द करून सगळे सेवा मतदारांचे एकाच दिसा यंत्रामार्फत परते मतदान करचे अशी मागणी सर्वपक्षीय बसकेंतल्यान केल्या। काँग्रेस मोगो राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस, गोवा फॉरवर्ड, गोवा सुराज पक्ष आणि गोवा विकास पक्षाचे फुडारी बसकेंत हाजीर आशिल्ले। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।
Was highly critical of the mess that has been created due to the indiscretion of the Election Commission of India, which has kept the voting line for postal ballot open for 35 days. All the political parties were of the opinion that this is carelessness, imprudence and injudicious, which has brought postal balloting to the public ridicule. The Election Commission of India should own up the responsibility as the man on the street perceived the entire process of postal balloting as a joke, which adversely affects the public confidence in the electoral process and thereby in the Indian democracy. It was the duty of Election Commission of India to fix the rational and reasonable schedule for postal balloting. The current manner of the postal balloting cannot be justified on any rational ground. On the other hand, it has brought disgrace to the election process. So, ह्या हेजेर आमी कितें डिमांड करता की हेजे मुखार एक दीस फिक्स करचो आनी ते वोटींग त्या दिसा काबार जावचें। म्हणजे हे अशें 35 डेज सारके लांबच उरची न्ही। सो हो आमचो गोवा विल इज कंट्रिब्युटींग एट द नॅशनल लेवल की हे गोंयाक जे सफर जाल्ले आसा प्रॉब्लम्स आनी इलेक्शन कमिशन एक वेगळ्या हितून पळयपाक गेल्यार सो दुसरे स्टेटीन हेजे मुखार जी इलेक्शन जातली तेन्ना हे प्रिकॉशन इलेक्शन कमिशनान घेवचें, आपले गायडलायन्सान क्लॅरिटी हाडची की 35 डेज उरनासतना हे पोस्टल बॅलेटाचे वोटींग केन्ना काबार जातले आनी ते कशें काबार जातले हेजे क्लियर कट गायडलायन्स इलेक्शन कमिशनान आमच्या सगळ्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचो जो सजेशन आसा तेजी आनी कन्सर्न आसा तेजी नोंद घेवची म्हणून आमी अपील करता इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया। आज ऑल्सो क्रिटिकल ऑफ स्पेशल कॅम्प for postal voting organized by the Chief Electoral Officer, Goa, which violates the guidelines of the conduct of postal balloting and which amounts to tampering with the already laid out process of postal balloting. The conclave demands that the ECI and the CEO explain under what provisions of law and guidelines the said special camp for the postal balloting was conducted. एक दिसाचो आनी सगळ्यांचे वोटिंग परत घेवचे मशीन यूज करून।